Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss numerical based on bevel gears. On bevel gears we have the very simple kind of numericals. So let's just start with the first. So here we have the statement: a pair of straight bevel gear has a velocity ratio 4:1. So given is G, that is velocity ratio 4. The pitch circle diameter of pinion is 75 mm at the large end. So dp is equal to 75 mm. It is at large end. A 6 kilowatt power is supplied to the pinion. So power is given 6 kilowatt. Then rotate at 750 rpm. So again np is given 750. The face width is 28 mm. So B is given 28. The pressure angle phi is equal to 20 degree. Calculate tangential, radial and axial component of resultant tooth force acting on pinion. So what they ask: force component Fr, Ft and Fa for pinion. So we know that we can calculate tangential force using of torque and mean radius. So firstly we need to calculate the mean radius for pinion. We can able to calculate this torque because power is given. So we get the tangential component of force. So we know the what is formula for mean radius. It is rp or dp by 2 minus of b by 2 sine of gamma. So before calculation of mean radius, let's just calculate gamma 1 and gamma 2. So for that we have the formula: tan of gamma 1 is equal to sine of theta divided by omega 1 upon omega 2 plus cos of theta. But here shaft angle is not given in statement, so we are considering that shaft angle is equal to, that is theta is equal to 90 degree. Let us say assume theta is equal to 90 degree. So we get tan of gamma 1 is equal to 1 upon g, and 1 upon g is given, that is 4. So we get gamma 1 is equal to 14.36 degree. Now let's calculate mean radius for pinion. So rmp is equal to dp by 2 minus of b by 2 into sine of gamma 1. So it is dp is given 75 divided by 2 minus b is 28 by 2 sine of gamma 1 is 14.36 degree. So after calculating these terms we get Rm is equal to 34.10 mm. Now to calculate tangential force, let's just calculate torque first. Tau p, so it is p upon 2 pi n by 60. Okay, because we know power is equal to 2 pi nt upon 60. So p is given, that is 6 kilonewton. So 6 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 2 pi. N is again given 750. This 60 goes up, so let me write 60 here. Okay, so we get tau p is equal to 76.39 into 10 raised to 3 Newton meter. Now tangential force Ft P, tangential force for pinion, is equal to tau p upon Rmp. So it is 76.39 into 10 raised to 3 divided by Rmp is 34.10. So tangential force is equal to 2240.30 Newton. Now we know that radial component of pinion is equal to Ft tan of phi into cos of gamma p. So radial component for pinion is equal to Ft tan of phi into cos of gamma p, that is gamma 1. So Ft is 2240.30 into tan of phi, pressure angle is given into cos of 14.36 degree. So we get FRP, radial component, is equal to 789.92 Newton. Similarly, we know the formula for thrust component or axial component of force, that is FAP, is equal to FT tan of phi into sine of gamma 1 or gamma p. So Ft is 240.30 tan of 20 into sine of 14.36. So we get Fa, that is axial component of force, is 202.23 Newton. In this way we can able to calculate resultant tooth forces acting on pinion. Also for gear, only we need to change this formula. In radial component, here is the gamma 2 or gamma g. In axial component, here is the sine of gamma 2 or sine of gamma g to calculate forces on gear. I hope you get the concept how to calculate forces on bevel gear. Thank you for watching video.